Welcome to our Fitness Revolution channel. Today we're jumping into a game changer in the world of fitness, the jump rope. Often overlooked, this simple tool can ignite your fat-burning engines and elevate your cardiovascular health with just minutes a day. Stay with us until the end of this video to discover the transformative effects of daily jump roping. It's more than just a childhood game. It's a fitness powerhouse waiting in your closet. Let's unravel the magic of jump roping together. Remember, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated on all our fitness guides. Now, let's get it. The versatility of jump rope. The jump rope, a humble piece of fitness equipment, lies at the heart of effective workout regimes. Accessible to everyone, from novices to elite athletes. Available in your nearest store, it invites you to transform any space, your living room, a park, or even a hotel room, into your personal gym. Let's explore the core benefits of integrating jump rope into your daily routine. Firstly, jump rope is a boon for bone health, offering a vertical challenge to your musculoskeletal system, thereby bolstering your bone density. This can be crucial in warding off osteoporosis and ensuring your frame remains robust through the years. The comprehensive benefits. Secondly, the calorie burning potential is immense. A mere minute of rapid jumping can torch between 12 to 20 calories, translating to around 900 calories burned per hour, varying by individual effort and endurance. As your skill advances, so does the workout's intensity, paving the way for significant fat loss and stamina enhancement. Thirdly, let's talk injury prevention. By reinforcing the structures around your ankles through continuous movement, jumping rope fortifies your body's defense against sprains and fractures. This aspect makes it an excellent choice for anyone seeking to rebound from physical setbacks or aiming to bulletproof their body against future injuries. Cardiovascular and coordination gains. Fourthly, your heart will thank you, elevating your heart rate higher than many conventional exercises. Jump rope provides a compact yet explosive cardio session, strengthening your heart and respiratory system without the need for prolonged durations. Fifthly, we dive into the realms of improved coordination and balance. The rhythmic nature of jump roping demands focus, enhancing your body's harmony and spatial awareness. It's no wonder boxers, renowned for their agility, swear by this exercise as part of their training arsenal. Muscle toning and workout variation. Sixth, the aesthetic benefits. The calves, often tough to sculpt, are intensely targeted during each jump's lift and land phases. Regular sessions lead to defined calves and fortified leg muscles overall, contributing to a leaner, more athletic physique. Seventh, don't let monotony dull your workouts. Mastered the basics? Introduce variations and heavier ropes into your routine for an amplified challenge and heightened calorie burn. The adaptability of jump rope ensures your workouts remain fresh, engaging, and progressively challenging. Practicality and muscle engagement. Eighth, consider the unmatched accessibility of a jump rope. It's inexpensive, compact, and travel-friendly, ensuring you're never too far from an effective workout whether you're at home or on the go. This tool's simplicity belies its comprehensive fitness benefits, making it a staple in any exercise regimen. Now, what muscles are we working? Primarily, you're engaging the powerhouse trio of the lower body, the calves, quadriceps, and hamstrings. But that's not all. Your glutes, abs, and back muscles are also put to work, supporting your core and sculpting a harmonious physique. Even your arms and shoulders will feel the burn, thanks to the constant motion of turning the rope. Proper technique and conclusion. To reap the full benefits, your technique matters. Start with your feet together, core engaged and shoulders relaxed. Your hands should control the rope with finesse, not force, allowing your wrists to guide the movement. Jump lightly, maintaining a small clearance over the rope, and land softly to protect your joints. By integrating jump rope into your daily regimen, you embrace a path to improved health, agility, and mental focus. It's time to break out that rope and start skipping your way to peak fitness. For more tips and workout ideas, make sure to check out our other videos. Jump roping isn't just an activity, it's a lifestyle. Embrace it and build your anatomy into the best version it can be. Thank you for watching, and remember, every jump is a step towards your health goals.